Hey, mabuhay!
Hello, mabuhay! With the pink shoes, I love it.
Congratulations! Sorry yung tanong ko dun sa nakikita ko eh. Kahit nasa baba si Miles, nakikita ko
Ano ba talaga tayo?
yung multo, tsaka ano ba talaga. Anyway, so with all this busyness and everything, how do you still manage to ensure na the second chance with Miles is going smoothly?
Nakakatawa kasi nag-joke siya sa akin kanina na nainis na ako sa'yo, ang busy mo masyado. Siya sa akin. Pero alam ko naman it's a joke and I know that she's proud of me and we have the same job and nagkakaintindihan kami because of that. Paano ba? I don't know, like, ang dami na kami pinagdaanan ni Man, sobra. And feeling ko that made us stronger, like very, very strong. And kung ano man mangyari, alam naman namin na mahal namin ang isa't isa lagi. And we're always here for each other. I mean, we're each other's best friend talaga. Nag-iiba kayo dyan. and we really understand each other. We really connect. And syempre, kahit naman magkalayo ay may FaceTime naman, may video call naman. And kapag may free day, I always make time for her. Kapag nagka-oras din siya, kasi busy din naman siya. And we always watch a movie together, we always eat out together. Yun yung sinabi kong ways of dealing with the busyness or how I reward myself. Parati siya kasama doon. Kasama siya sa reward.
Yeah!
Siya kasama sa akin. Wow!
Karay na. Parang Elijah, dadating ng reward. Ganun bang daw? Anyways, pero how do you value as Miles is an actor as well. So,
Yes.
how important is her feedback to you in terms of how you act? May ganun ka ba na yan, you solicit also her?
Yeah! Ever since we started, nagliligawan pa lang kami. As in, yung mga scripts na nakukuha ko nun, pinapascreen ko na sa kanya. Like, what do you think about this? Parang, I wanna do this. What do you think? Do you think bagay ba? You think kaya ko ba? Pero bias kasi yun eh. Tingin niya lahat kaya ko eh. Yung parang sabihin niya lagi, kaya yan. Pero honestly, nakakatulong yung feedback niya kasi veteran na yun eh. Like, tagal niya na sa industriya, di ba? So, she knows how the system works, the industry works. So, minsan, nagigets niya din yung mga gusto ko. Ako naman yung nagpapasok sa kanya ng yung pag-curate ng mga pelikula na gustong gawin, hindi lang tanggap na tanggap, make movies or tell stories that really matter to you and mas rewarding yun in that sense. So yun, tulungan kami. Kapag nag-memorize akong lines, katrol lines ko siya minsan. Ganun kami. Pag siya din, kapag may script siya, papabasa niya rin sa akin, papatulong din siya. Tapos may influence. Ako, sinabihan ko siya magpakulay siyang buhok, nag-orange buhok siya. So may mga ganun po kaming usapan ever since, until now.
And last question related to that, do you have a dream project together na you wish magawa niyo talaga?
Definitely. Ang una, magka-project together. Ganun lang po kasimple. Sana magka-project kami, pelikula or show together. Wala pang nagbibigay ng chance ngayon so far. But syempre, we're open guys. Kakapatok, we're open po sa ganyan. And kung ano man, ako kasi lagi kong sagot dyan ngayon ay something light kasi lagi namang mabibigat yung ginagawa ko. Siya naman, gusto niya naman i-explore yung mga ginagawa ko. Gusto niya naman gumawa ng art films and indie films. So, hindi ko alam, we have to meet in the middle somewhere there. I don't know yet. Pero kahit ano po yan, game po kami.
Okay. And I've heard na maglalabas ka ng full album.
Yes po.
Tama ba? Can you tell us more about it? Like ilang songs? What are those? Anong genre?
So right now there are 10 songs on it. I signed with UMG 2 years ago. 2 years ago na rin. Yung prepared na tracklist namin noon ay for 6 songs. So it was supposed to be an EP only. Pero 2 years na nga lumipas dahil na busy. Last year I was doing a lot of TV work. So halos walang oras din talaga last year. Kaya hindi na kagawa ng music masyado. Pero nowadays, we have 10 tracks. So nag-decide kami actually last week lang na album na to. Album na to, 10 tracks na eh. And baka may madagdag pa, di ko alam. I have studio session tomorrow. So minsan kasi pag sa sulat po, pag na-feel mo lang biglang magsulat, may kwento kang gustong sabihin, or nag-emote ka, or galit ka, or basta idadaan ko po yan sa sulat eh. Tapos pag may nabuo, baka may madagdag pa. But this album, generally, It's not a concept album. It's more just an introduction as to my musical side. So songs and the genre that I really want to pursue is hip hop. And yeah, may mga fun tracks. I have 2 collaborations there. This female rapper named Shanti and pwede na ba sabihin yung isa? Wag pa pala, joke lang. Tawag ko yung isa. Buti na lang ang daming ang daming nagko-coach dito.
Oo nga, parang ang daming bumubulong-bulong sa gills.
Kasi minsan talaga hindi ako tumatahimik minsan tuloy-tuloy ako, so buti na lang may magsabi sa akin, shut up. Yan, gano'n.
And sorry, with those 10, like, ikaw yung gumawa ng iba? Tama ba?
Ako po nagsulat ng lahat.
Nung 10?
Yes.
Taray naman! Hindi ka ba busy?
Pero gano'n po kasi I believe in the hip-hop culture. Wala din akong education, pero sa rap, as a fan lang, alam ko na you're not a true MC, you're not a true rapper if you don't write your own bars, if you don't write your own verses. Tama. Agree kayo dyan. But yeah, yun po yung belief ko. And I used to write poetry in high school for fun. And rap is like poetry. So, na-enjoy ko rin naman po siya.
At sasayaw ka rin. Di ba pag yung may sayaw yun?
Wala po na lang usapan, rap.
Wala pa ba? Okay, sige. Mamaya na.
Rap lang po. Pero yung sayaw na ganun-ganun lang, parang pabebing sayaw lang po.
Ay, congratulations!
Thank you po. Thank you so much.